Hello everybody, this is Nuzhat with the topic rotational symmetry. Before we proceed, let us recall some symmetrical shapes. When one shape becomes exactly like another, if we flip it, slide it or turn it, then the shape is said to be symmetrical. These are symmetrical shapes. In the first case, the symmetry is called reflection symmetry, while in the second case, it is translation symmetry, and in the third case, the symmetry is called rotational symmetry. We know that any shape, when turned around a fixed point, covers an angle of 360 degrees in one complete journey of rotation, and this fixed point is called center of rotation. During this journey of 360 degrees, there are certain shapes that look the same more than once in one complete journey of rotation. Now, if the figure looks the same more than once in one complete rotation, then it is said to have rotational symmetry. Now let us rotate this figure, which is an isosceles triangle, and look for its rotational symmetry. We see that it doesn't look the same more than once, but it is the same only one time in one complete rotation. So we say that this figure, that is an isosceles triangle, does not have rotational symmetry. Now the number of times the figure looks like the original figure, or we say that it fits onto itself in one complete rotation, is called the order of rotational symmetry. The smallest angle needed to rotate any figure is called angle of rotation. Now look for the rotational symmetry of this figure. I have the second copy of the same figure which I am going to rotate, and the first copy is going to be fixed for our reference. On rotating the figure once, we see that blue has taken the place of yellow, yellow has taken the place of red, red has taken the place of green, and green has taken the place of blue. Both the figures are exactly the same. Now let us continue with further rotation. Now we see that blue, which was here, you can see the sample figure, it has come to this place. That means it has covered an angle of 180 degree. And still now you see on 180 degree of rotation the figures look the same. Still we continue with our journey of rotation for the third time. We see that the blue has taken the place of green, and it has covered an angle of 270 degree. And finally, we complete the rotation of 360 degree. The figures are exactly same, and all the colors are back to their own place. You can see this figure looks the same 4 times in one complete rotation. So the order of rotational symmetry is 4, and the angles of rotation are 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree.